Hey everyone, I'm back again and I'm going to be bringing you my March 2020 sales, my sales as a reseller on online platforms such as eBay and Poshmark. So yeah, let's talk about March. My total gross sales for the month was a whopping $3,235.26. I am super pumped about that number. That is a great number. I'm really starting to see traction in my business, even with some global uncertainty going on. I'm really happy that I was able to kind of round out my month in a pretty decent number, in a decent way. Actually the last week of March, I absolutely did nothing. I mean, other than sharing my Poshmark closet a few times, I didn't list. I didn't do anything, and I still had some sales roll in, which I'm very grateful for. So the month started out very strong for me, and if this month had been how it started out and ended how it started out, if that makes sense. Did that make sense? I project that this number would have been even significantly higher than it is, but it is what it is. So let's break down the gross sales across all platforms and all methods of income. So gross sales from Poshmark was a total of $685. Poshmark Consignment, so this is, I do some consignment sales where I pay the consignment client a certain percentage. I keep a certain percentage for selling it for them. That way I don't have to pay for the cost of goods, and it's just a way for me to diversify the type of items I'm bringing into my stores. So that was a total of $25 for this month. eBay, my personal sales was $1,037.50. eBay Consignment was $1,487.76. So sold a lot of consignment items this month, a big dollar amount. So sales tax, this is something that only applies to eBay because the sales tax is not calculated through Posh, or this is not something that I personally calculate. That was a total of $111.18. $54.69 through my personal eBay sales, $56.49 through my eBay Consignment. Total fees, this is something that is across all platforms for the month, was $476.86. It's pretty average for me, around that mark. The total fees paid to Poshmark was $138.40. Poshmark Consignment, $5. eBay, $143.46. eBay Consignment was $190. So again, like I said, that's pretty average for me. Sorry, I needed a quick drink. And yeah, so let's talk, let's keep going down the line. Shipping discounts, this is something that only applies to Poshmark. When you send an offer to a buyer, you are kind of forced into a shipping discount or to offer free shipping to the buyer. So that was a total of $40.28 for the month. Shipping. So Poshmark, the nice thing is the buyer pays for shipping. None of that money is transacted through you. A prepaid label is sent directly to your mailbox, your virtual mailbox, your email account. Oh my gosh, what am I saying here? But through eBay, you have to print those labels through the carrier that you are choosing to go with. So that was a total of $215.87 for my personal eBay sales, $245.17 for my eBay Consignment, for a total of $461.04. Shipping's expensive, but I spend about that much every month on shipping. And I do have my buyers pay for shipping. Most of the time, shipping is around what I charge the customer. Sometimes I make a little bit off of shipping. That's not my intention. But if I do, really, it's just to help pay for shipping supplies. So I really don't make much. So consignment payouts, I paid a lot in consignment, as you could probably tell from the gross sales. I paid $711.28 in consignment Sales and my consignment payout. $14 from Poshmark and $697.28 from eBay. Woo! Okay, so total net sales for the month was actually a little bit lower than February. So $1,434.62 was my total personal profit for the month of March. So broken down, that looks like $506.32 from Poshmark, $6 from my Poshmark consignment sale, eBay $623.48, eBay consignment $298.82. So I've talked about this before. Sorry, my battery is giving me a warning. Sorry. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. So I've talked about this before, but my eBay consignment sales were almost $700 this month, and that's $700 that I'm not personally seeing. My profits, my net profits would be a lot higher if these were my personal items that I was selling. So consignment is something that I'm moving away from in 2021. But for now, I am grateful to have that as an additional stream of income within my business, but I am very much looking forward to ending that chapter in my personal business. So the $1,434.62 is not going in my personal bank account. I need to deduct my business expenses for the month, which of that was my inventory expenses. So I do the cash-based method, and essentially what that is I deduct what I spend in inventory that month, the same month that it is spent, versus accrual, where you deduct when the item sells. This is something that I personally chosen, and that works much better for me, but you can do either method. It's just personal preference. So I spent a total of $235.59. I'm really trying to keep it around that, you know, no more than $300 spent a month while I'm still in growth mode. And so yeah, I was on target for that. Business expenses was $151.41. I would say that that's still appropriate because that includes my eBay store, business supplies, that sort of thing. So not too bad, but I probably am trying to not spend much more than that. And that is something that's totally within my control. Returns and refunds was $128.49. Returns and refunds are a very small percentage of my sales, but they do happen. So that was a little bit less than last month because of that whole spiel that I went into. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch the video prior to this one. So that was a total of $515.49 for my business expenses. So that leaves me with a net profit. What I actually put in my personal bank account was $919.13. So not quite $1,000, but that's pretty darn close. And I'm very happy with that, considering all that is going on in the world right now. And yeah, that I was able to still make money even when global uncertainty is among all of us right now. So I'm very thankful to have this business and to be able to generate some income for my family during these crazy times. I am still going forward and still hitting things hard, listing, keeping things active in my store, because I am seeing a serious uptick in sales for the month of April already. I am so excited to share those numbers with you guys. And if anything is like the beginning of April, if the end of the month is like the beginning of April, I mean, it's going to be a good month for me. So I'm very excited. So yeah. So of that $919.13, that does not include taxes. My tax situation is a little bit different than what somebody else's tax situation might be. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, $919.13 is way okay by me. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment, question, anything down below. I'm happy to answer them for you. And yeah. So I hope all of you are staying healthy and safe, and thank you again for watching this video and supporting my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.